Nice shot. Another beautiful day here in Coron. Starting my day with a little bit of exercise, walking to the very top of Mount Tapias, which is that mountain that has the big Coron sign at the top of it. Only just started walking. There's like 750 plus steps to get to the top. It's really hot. All smiles, hopefully the view's worth it. First 100 steps done. Just over halfway. Check out this view already. Step number 600. Nearly to the top. Do you know what would make this view a lot better? The drone. Awesome views. Good news is I got some amazing drone shots. Bad news is I broke my glasses. It's a pretty interesting light fitting. Probably from IKEA. I'm not texting, I'm looking for Pokemon.
Okay.
Yes. Have you caught many around here?
Yeah.
Have you caught some Pokemon?
Pokemon,
Yeah, awesome, man. On my way to the bike hire place. I'm gonna hire a bike. I'm gonna do a bit of a road trip to a nice waterfall. That's my bike. Let's cruise. Fueling up for the ride. Nice to meet you guys. On our way to the waterfall. Kids are showing me the way, kind of. We're excited. This is where the kids play basketball. In the rainforest. Show us a slam dunk. Yo! Yeah, boy. They've got the moves. These waterfalls are like the perfect way to spend my afternoon. It has been so hot today, so it's been so refreshing. The water is perfect. There are like no tourists here, it's like all locals. Not only do you have that awesome waterfall over there, you've got these like crazy jumps over here, and it's just the best way to spend like a really hot day here in the Philippines. Do you like the helmet?
Yeah.
It's
very cute.
They're lying. Time to go back to town. Bye guys.
Bye.
It's late afternoon, just arrived at the hot springs here in Coron. It's just probably about 15 minutes out of Coron town. Costs you about 200 pesos to get in, but it's just a really nice way to finish your day, hey, after especially riding that motorbike for ages. These hot springs have been the most refreshing way to finish a day ever. The water is just perfect, it's so relaxing, and it's just like the perfect spot to enjoy the sunset. Super ambient. The only thing is, there were so many people here now. Look at this. Like if you come here, try to get here a little bit before it gets dark and get a good table, because this place gets packed at night time. Thanks man, I appreciate it. Just dropped the bike back, on the way back to the hotel now. Another adventure-filled day here in Coron, done and dusted. I've had a lot of fun, but I'm definitely keen to start changing things up. Tomorrow morning I've booked my boat from Coron to El Nido on Palawan Island. I leave at 7:30 in the morning and I'm pretty excited. It's the next stage of my Philippines adventure. Let's see what tomorrow brings.